Imagine waking up tomorrow. You're 35 years old. You have a stable job, a college degree, and you've done everything society told you to do. But every month you're still wondering where your paycheck disappeared. One unexpected medical bill, one car repair, one layoff, and suddenly your entire financial life feels like a house of cards. Here's the strange part. You probably spent over 15 years in school. You learned algebra, you memorized historical dates, you even solved equations you'll probably never use again. But nobody taught you how taxes work, how investing works, how debt quietly steals your future, or how to make money work for you instead of spending your entire life working for money. School prepared you for exams. It never prepared you for financial freedom. And that single mistake cost millions of people decades of stress. Today, you'll discover 5 lessons about money that most schools never teach, but every wealthy person eventually learns. Because by the end of this video, you'll never look at education or your paycheck the same way again. Think back to school. Raise your hand. Ask permission. Follow instructions. Memorize information. Get graded. Repeat. Sound familiar? That's because most education systems were designed during the Industrial Revolution, when businesses needed reliable workers who followed systems, not people who questioned them. Now, before someone types an angry comment, no, school isn't useless. Reading, writing, and critical thinking are incredibly valuable. But there's a huge difference between education and financial education. School teaches you how to earn a paycheck. It rarely teaches you what to do after the paycheck arrives. Imagine someone hands you a bucket with holes in it. Working harder only fills it faster. If you never patch the holes, you'll always stay broke. That's exactly what happens when income grows, but financial knowledge doesn't. Imagine if schools gave final exams like this. Congratulations! Here's your first credit card. Don't ruin your life. Half the class would panic. The other half would max it out. Funny, but surprisingly close to reality. And that brings us to an even bigger problem. Even if you earn 6 figures, there's something silently pulling people backward. Here's one of the biggest financial myths in America. If I make more money, all my money problems will disappear. Really? Then why are doctors, lawyers, athletes, and even lottery winners filing for bankruptcy? Because income and wealth are not the same thing. Income is what comes in. Wealth is what stays. Every time your salary increases, lifestyle inflation quietly follows. A nicer apartment, a newer car, more subscriptions, more monthly payments. Soon your expensive lifestyle owns you. Instead of freedom, you've simply upgraded your stress. Wealthy people understand something different. Every dollar has a job. Some dollars buy comfort today. Other dollars buy freedom tomorrow. Guess which ones become millionaires? And here's where things get really interesting. Because even saving money isn't enough. Most people spend 40 years working for money. The wealthy spend those years teaching money to work for them. That's investing. Imagine planting one tiny seed. At first, nothing happens. Weeks pass, months pass. It almost looks pointless. But underground, the roots are growing. That's compound interest. It's invisible until suddenly it isn't. The problem? School trained us to expect immediate grades, immediate results, immediate rewards. Investing rewards patience instead. That's why many people quit just before the magic begins. Because slow feels like failure, even when it's actually progress. Quick question. Would you rather earn $100 today or own an investment that quietly pays you for decades? Most people choose today. The wealthy choose forever. And the next lesson explains why. Debt rarely arrives looking dangerous. It usually comes wearing luxury packaging. Buy now. Only $29 a month. 0 interest. It'll make life easier. Little by little, your future income gets sold before you even earn it. Imagine running a race while someone keeps adding weights to your backpack. You can still run, just slower every year. That's consumer debt. The wealthy aren't afraid of debt itself. They're careful about why they use it. Bad debt buys liabilities. Smart debt buys assets that produce income. That's a massive difference. One steals tomorrow, the other builds tomorrow. And now we've reached the lesson that ties everything together. Here's the truth. Your financial future isn't decided by your diploma. It's decided by what you learn after graduation. Read books, study investing, understand taxes, learn budgeting, build multiple income streams, develop discipline, spend less than you earn, invest consistently. Repeat. Here's the exciting part. You don't need another 4-year degree. You need one good financial lesson repeated hundreds of times through action. Because knowledge changes your thinking. Action changes your life. Every wealthy person was once financially inexperienced. The difference is they kept learning after school stopped teaching. If this video changed how you think about education, then you're ready for the next piece of the puzzle, because understanding that school doesn't teach money is only the beginning. The real question is, what should you learn instead? That's exactly what I break down in the next video. Why financial literacy matters more than IQ. Click the video appearing on your screen right now and discover why intelligence alone doesn't create wealth, but financial knowledge often does. And remember, the best investment you'll ever make isn't in the stock market, it's in the person making every financial decision. See you in the next video.